going out today. I got an event and I was like, boom, I need to get like, I never really pack out nothing and plan not for wear. So now I have to I just draw on the dress and I was like, okay, this can wear. So a part of me is like, it gives older lady, but at the same time I'm like, it's one outfit. It probably even need for iron. I'm not even iron it. Let me see if I can get a full body. Accessorize it, probably put on some accessories. I'm gonna put on a gold chain on the neck or something to kind of make it look not so churches, but it's like a graduation necklace, so I guess it's not bad if it look too churches, but it also look like it pleated because it's not iron. I'll figure it out. But I forgot weird, man. Because I was like, maybe I could do a pants or so. I'm not the pants either. And then the arm is doing this thing here, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on underneath it to help block that arm thing. Let's put this on. Don't ask me what this is. I'm gonna know if it's a, I think it was a scrunchie. I don't know what it was, and I might not use it. BRB. It's on, kind of covered, but yeah, I guess this works. And now I have moved my hair back, so it's not I don't like to cover my earring because the earring is for a purpose. So we're gonna try to pin it back here so it doesn't block my earring, but I'm not gonna just do one. I'm gonna do, see if I can do a few of them, or this one. Let me unpin this one. Okay, I'm gonna give it like a little braided look. Okay. So pinning it down like that gives me more of this look where you can see the earring and it's less in my face and more showing up my face. So, you know, give me a little view. And I'm gonna do my lips. Come and put on the wig on. You know, I have my favorite things. So I'm not someone who not really good on the makeup. I'm just kind of get my favorite simple things them and them just work. So you always ever see me with them things I like. My NYX lips, my NYX this for my eyebrows because I'm not really shape them up because them not shape up. Like them little simple things I'm gonna do them all the time, and then when I have a big event I just pay somebody for do my makeup or try it. So I feel like my eyebrow gonna shape up either way, but I just kind of, you know, make it look thick with this. That's all. You know, nothing too crazy. Just thick it up a bit. I just dropped myself in my eye. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. I can barely see nothing, so we're gonna leave the eye alone. Look at this. Oh God. My eyes still are running water. The show must go on. Forgot to put my sunscreen on, so it's in the reverse. And we use this as like a moisturizer, so my face doesn't look too dry. I should have moisturized my whatever. see what this is working with. I think probably need some lip gloss on it. I'll probably put a little lip gloss on it, but what I think. You don't know where the lip gloss is though, so that sucks. It's in the car. This is how it looks when it's like settled in. I don't know what I think. Usually, like when I'm facing the shape up and stuff, like my eyebrows, sometimes I'd be like, you know, I can't really shape it up properly, but with that, it gives me a more natural look. Like if I'm gonna line it up and it make it look thick instead of how thin out my eyebrows usually look. So I like it. Now jewelry. When I already know the deal, I'm a goldie but goodie. So maybe I can put on a gold chain around it. Yeah. Yeah. This is one bit self. So I love gold like accessories. Should I definitely put this on before I take look as a not so fashionista on. Oh, it's a choker. And I don't think I'm going to put the lip gloss on anymore. I kind of like the matte look. I might put a little lip gloss on it, but also I set it. I forgot to put my jewelry on. Let's put that out. Look, as a not so fashionista, you know, it takes me some time to get ready, and also no, it doesn't take me some time, but one suit, like suits work for me, and like a dress, it's a quick thing. And like no, I'm gonna put on a dress, I'm gonna really 200. I'm like, let me accessorize because I'm gonna change again. And if it work, it work. If it don't work, it don't work. I think I'm gonna put on my wedge with this. I don't know. Okay, on. And this is also something like look at things that I'm doing is mostly stuff that I saw online. You know, stacking your jewelry. You know, like you want to kind of change up our outfit, dressed up. You accessorize. So make a okay, so we are accessorize. I don't know if you're supposed to wear jewelry on too, but I am. The next bracelet. All right, so this is a stacking one. So I'm gonna stack it and see how they look. We'll try different things and see what works. This look like too much like one around my neck. Or me probably don't know how to wear this, but there's too much going on around my neck. I don't know. I feel like enough for this outfit. Let me take this off. Let's help me take this off. It's now 7:59, about to be 8 o'clock. I need to be ready like now. I don't know, like I feel like there's something wrong with that chain. Yeah. May I keep on the both of them. We can talk about it after. You know, give me some tips in the comments, and maybe next time we'll change it around. But as of right now, may I keep on the both of them. Now I kind of want to wear more charm bracelets as well, but many things that go with the look. I just feel like if I have more accessories on, but I'm not gonna do too much. My lipstick, I love a red lip, and I was probably going to do something calmer, like the praline, the butter gloss, but I was like, let me just do a little to kind of get like a pop, since I'm not like all into the dress. I'm gonna probably have to use my phone for show the dress. Probably can't pin this here, so. Another thing is my face looks a little bit dull. Like I feel like I can brighten it up in some way, but maybe I'll leave it alone. Because one thing I learned is when I try to keep on adding things, I just mess up everything. So I do this to just kind of let my mascara which probably come off. So I can add some more, and everything just stay in place. I'm gonna fix that. Let's fix the mascara before I set it. Alright, so now let's set whatever is on this face. Probably put a little bit too much. But maybe just make it dry. So we're going to do our perfume. I don't know how I discovered a perfume, yeah, but I like the smell of it, so it will put on today. And we're going to do 1 pump yes, and 1 pump. Oh, right, so kind of wet. yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna blend it. I don't know if I blend it with, I never really blend perfume before. I might put on another one with it just to see how it works. Like, I could wear flats with it, but I'm like, no, I'm going to wear my favorite heels to wear, which is a wedge, because it's more comfortable than anything. So I'm gonna put on right now. You probably can't see it, but I them here. So I get these out, and I don't put on today.